Have you heard of the IIHS 2024 Top Safety Pick Awards? Wondering which cars have made the cut this year? The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, has recently announced the winners of this prestigious safety award. For 2024, the IIHS has upped the game, making it even more challenging for vehicles to earn a Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus award. To win, vehicles now have to pass tougher side and frontal crash tests, with an added focus on rear seat occupant safety. They also have to score well in the vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention test, and have high-quality headlights as a standard feature across all trim levels. Even with these rigorous new standards, a total of 71 models have managed to qualify, and leading the pack this year, despite the tougher standards, is none other than the Hyundai Motor Group. Hyundai Motor Group, which includes Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia brands, has bagged the most awards for 2024. Now let's dive a bit deeper into their achievements. The group has earned a staggering 16 awards. This includes 6 Top Safety Pick Plus awards and 10 Top Safety Pick awards. This is no small feat considering the tougher requirements introduced by the IIHS this year. This accomplishment underscores Hyundai Motor Group's commitment to safety and technological innovation. Moving on to Toyota Motor Corporation, which comprises the Toyota and Lexus brands. They've also performed remarkably well in the safety arena. Toyota has taken a total of 13 awards under its belt, one being a Top Safety Pick Plus and the remaining 12 as Top Safety Pick awards. Toyota's achievement is a testament to their relentless pursuit of safety and their dedication to protect both drivers and pedestrians. Then we have Mazda, a brand synonymous with delivering both performance and safety. This year, Mazda has truly shone bright in the safety domain. It has won the most Top Safety Pick Plus awards of any single brand with 5 of them. In addition to this, Mazda also picked up 1 Top Safety Pick award. Mazda's accomplishment is particularly impressive given the stringent criteria for the TSP Plus award. It reflects Mazda's unwavering commitment to safety, even as it delivers thrilling driving experiences. These results are significant as they indicate the automaker's dedication to safety, even as they innovate and push boundaries in other areas. These awards are not easily won. They require a vehicle to perform exceptionally well in a variety of stringent crash tests and safety evaluations. The achievements of Hyundai Motor Group, Toyota Motor Corporation, and Mazda underscore their commitment to safety and their ability to design and manufacture vehicles that excel in protecting drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. Mazda has won the most TSP Plus awards of any single brand, truly a remarkable achievement. It's a clear demonstration of Mazda's dedication to safety. This commitment is not just about meeting industry standards, but exceeding them, and setting new benchmarks for others to follow. It's not just about the brands, it's also about the vehicle classes. And it seems SUVs are leading the way. When you take a peek at the awards by vehicle class, you'll notice that almost every type of vehicle has managed to snag a Top Safety Pick award. But it's the SUVs that have truly outshined the rest. Small SUVs, mid-size SUVs, and mid-size luxury SUVs have all tied for the most Top Safety Pick Plus awards, bagging 5 each. Mid-size luxury SUVs even scooped up 12 Top Safety Pick awards, the most of any class. But what about cars, pickups, and minivans? Well, they didn't fare as well overall, which might come as a surprise considering their popularity. David Harkey, the president of IIHS, echoed this sentiment, expressing disappointment that only 4 pickups and 4 mid-size cars managed to earn awards. Let's not forget about alternative fuel vehicles. In the list of Top Safety Pick awards, you'll find a considerable number of hybrid and all-electric models. These vehicles are not just eco-friendly, they're also safety-conscious, matching their gasoline-powered counterparts in terms of protection. So, the next time you're browsing for a new vehicle, remember, it's not just about the brand, it's also about the class and the fuel type. Whether you're looking for a gasoline-powered vehicle or a hybrid, there's a Top Safety Pick for you. So there you have it, the top performers in the IIHS 2024 Top Safety Pick Awards. Hyundai Motor Group outpaced the competition while Mazda shone in the Top Safety Pick Plus category. Let's not forget that vehicles of all classes, including hybrids and electric models, made it to the list. This underscores the importance of vehicle safety, regardless of your preference or needs. Remember, safety should never be compromised. These awards provide a guide to help you choose a vehicle that not only suits your lifestyle but also protects you, your family, and pedestrians. Drive safe.